Hi everyone, welcome back. This clip is another what do I eat for dinner? And tonight the food is gonna be simple and easy. I've mentioned about this before in my previous video. I'm gonna put the link of that video in my description box and you can go check it out. But basically, the Chinese snail noodles. It doesn't have snails in it. It's pretty similar to stinky tofu. If there's any of you have ever tried it before, it smells a little bit strong for the people that have never tried it. But if you tried it, I feel like you might change your mind. So we'll see. But basically, it has a bag of rice noodles, tons of ingredients. It has bamboo, the soup, some dry tofu bamboo, pickle, vinegar, little eggies, peanuts, and spicy oil. The most time consuming part is to cook the noodles. This needs at least 15 to 20 minutes of cooking. So you just put them in the cold water and you set a timer for 20. I usually do 20 minutes, and you can try it out by using scissors or using chopsticks, and if you can cut it easily, then that means it's ready to get it out. Some cauliflower. Do you guys actually eat this type of tofu? It's like slices. I want to share this. This is for my kind of peeps that likes some little alcohol. So this is like a popsicle. It has different flavors, as you can see: gin tonic, mojito. Cheers. Let's get the noodles out. Look at the color. Got some tofu, broccoli, bamboo. Bon appetit! So we're currently in the second week of sort of like lockdown, but it's not actually lockdown. It's nothing like COVID, but we're stuck at home. There's curfews from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. So this is the activity, some relaxed time. And hopefully the situation won't last for any longer. We'll see how it goes. We're just gonna go with the flow. If you got any chances to go relax yourself, go swim a little bit, go to the gym a little bit, whatever it is that can help you with lowering your anxiety, go do that. to Teleferico. Take some cable cars and see the view up there. Exciting. Love the murals. Wow, look at this one. Very nice. Alright, so you get tickets over there. Hola. Gracias. Find the swing. Where is the swing? Check out the view here. Oh my my. Wow. 3,990 meters. Get some drinks, some food. It's a little drizzling over here. Aww. Some horses. A baby llama. Apparently, that's a club. Getting a top.
People typically spend 2.5 to 5 hours here.